Oh man. I still need to take another thing off. I don't even have to play with him. It's gonna be all
Danny, if
over
you want
the
to stand up,
place.
you can see a really silly, silly kitten. Oh, you need to.
Oh, who's coming, Finn? Who's coming? Oh my god! He's just playing in it. I think there's one more, yeah. Finn! He's too busy watching you now. There you go. Ah! Oh, he found a star now. Don't eat it! Finnegan.